Yes, we are together with a good question. X to the 8th power is equal to 3x in brackets. 3 times x minus 2 in a question given as the fourth force. He said x is a real number, wants us to find x values. Now my first thought is the expression here can descend to the other side. X to the 8th power in minus brackets. 3x minus 2 to the 4th power is equal to 0. We got the equation. The question is easier by taking advantage of some identities right here. We can change it to go to the solution. In this case, our equation, x over 8, x over 4, square minus 3x minus 2. Second force, I can express the square is equal to 0. If I express what I am using right here, this identity is a squared minus b squared equals a minus b in brackets times a plus b. We can switch to problem solving by using, of course now if we separate them using identity x to the 4th minus 3x minus 2 squared times in brackets x to the 4th plus 3x minus 2 squared in brackets equal to 0. We have 50. Now, I wonder what I can say next. If you pay attention now, this expression is always equal to or greater than 0. The statement given here, always equal to or greater than 0. Then the sum of these is always equal to or greater than 0. So any real number from here, root will not come. Then where should I focus on that part? I get this part right away. And again, I'm trying to get some things. X to the 4th minus 3x minus 2 in parentheses. Square. Let's proceed from the equation equal to 0. This feature we use right above. If we say 1, let's use the first feature again. X squared squared minus 3x minus 2 squared is equal to 0. And let's express this with the help of identity. If we continue, let's express immediately x squared minus 3x minus 2 times in brackets x squared plus 3x minus 2. Again in brackets. I can say it is equal to 0. Then we can say that this is equal to 0. That this is equal to 0. We can say either this will happen or this will happen. If we continue from here, let's see what comes from the first equation. X squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. What expression will come from the second one? X squared plus 3x minus 2 equals 0 equations 50. I immediately look to see if this is divided into factors. Let's transform this expression when we look. X minus 2 times in brackets. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Separately, if I equate them to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0. What we call x1 from here, 2 will come. What will come in the value we call x2? 1 will come. Now after getting these, let's move on to this part. Here we look at what we can say. Now when we look at it, it doesn't break down into its routes. Then discriminant or delta. Let's move on to the part we call. Let's calculate your discriminant immediately. 9 minus 4 times 1 times minus 2. The value we call delta from here will come 17. We can say that there is a real root because it is bigger than 0. And immediately after that, if we want to express our routes, x3, 4. So what will come? Minus 3 plus minus the squared root of 17 divided by 2. Of course, let's open it a little more. x3 here minus 3 minus 17 in the root. Divided by 2 or x by 4. Minus 3 plus the root will be 17 divided by 2. So what are our answers? This came. It was a good question. If you have different methods, please write in the comments. You can share this with your friends and ask more people. Please don't forget to like and follow. Asked again at the Olympics. One of the difficult questions. Stay with math. See you. Bye-bye.